Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here you see that this is a nice right triangle in which the length of one side are given and we need to find the parameter of this triangle. So here you see that the length of these two sides are unknown. So here first we need to find the length of these two sides. So here we just denote the length of opposite side of this triangle A is equals to C, and here we will first write that this is A, B and C right triangle. So the length opposite to the right angle is C, and the length opposite to the A is denoted by small a, and the length opposite to B is denoted by small b. So here we have the value of b is given and we need to find the value of a and c, and then we move towards the parameter of this right triangle. So you know that this is right triangle, and in right triangle the Pythagoras theorem is hold. So we find the length of other two sides by with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So you know about that the Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is usually called that it is the Pythagoras theorem, and here you see that the value of hypotenuse is this side is hypotenuse and this is any other unknown angle. So the side opposite to this angle is called the perpendicular. This is perpendicular side, and the line which is joined these two angles is called the base. So this is our base, and now here we just substitute all the values of h, b and p here, and you know about that the value of hypotenuse is denoted by c, and it will becomes here c square, and our base is denoted by a, so it will becomes here a square, and perpendicular is denoted by b square. But here we have the value of b is 6. So we substitute this value of b on right hand side, and it will be written as c square equals to a square plus 6 square. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we move this a square in the left hand side, and it will becomes c square minus a square equals to this is 6 square, and 6 square becomes here 36. And in the left hand side we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that c square minus a square equals to c minus a times of c plus a is equals to 36. So here you see that in the left hand side there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to make the factors of this equation. So here we have the possibilities in which the product of two positive numbers becomes 36 is we have 1 times of 36 equals to 36, and the second factor is 2 times of 18 is also equals to 36, and 3 times of 12 is equals to 36, and 6 times of 6 is equals to 36. So we have there are 4 possibilities, but if you make the relation between these two factors, then you see that c minus a is always less than c plus a. Okay, so c minus a is always less than c plus a. So here we choose those factors in which the first term is less than the second factor. Okay, so here you see that 1 is less than 36, so we choose this option, and here 2 is less than 18, we choose this option. From here 3 is less than 12, we choose this option, but from here we have 6 is equals to 6. Okay, so we reject this option. So we have these are the three cases. So we choose or we find the values of a and c by using these three cases. Okay, here we first consider the case number 1, and in case number 1 we compare both of these two factors with 1 and 36, and it will be written as c minus a is equals to 1 and c plus a equals to 36. And here in this side we choose our second case. So in second case we compare both of these two values with 2 and 18. So here we write it as c minus a equals to 2 and c plus a equals to 18. So first we solve these two cases, and then we move towards our third case. Now here we have we call this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, So first we sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2, and you see here this a and a are gone, and we get here c plus c becomes here 2c equals to 1 plus 36 becomes 37, and here we easily get the value of c equals to 37 divided by 2. So this is the value of c, and further you see here for the values of a we need to substitute this value of c on equation number 1 or 2, so that our equation number 1 is implies that when you put it here it will becomes this will be written as 37 over 2 minus a is equals to 1. So here we easily get the values of a equals to 37 divided by 2 minus 1 equals to a, and when we take the LCM we get here 37 minus 2 equals to a, and here we easily get the value of a equals to 35 over 2. So these are the two values of a and b. So further in the next step we have from here we call this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So here we again add equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add these two equations, you see here c plus c becomes 2, c equals to 18 plus 2 becomes 20, and we get the value of c equals to 10. This is the value of c, and when we put this value of c in equation number 4, so equation number 4 implies that 10 plus a equals to 18, and here we easily get the value of a equals to 18 minus 10 becomes 8. So these are the other two values of a and c. So in the same pattern we move towards our third case, and in third case we compare both of these two factors with the 3 and 12, and after comparison of these values we obtain c minus a equals to 3 and c plus a equals to 12. So we again call this is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. So here we again sum up both of these two equations, and when we add these two equations we get 2c equals to 12 plus 3 becomes 15, and here we get the value of c equals to 15 divided by 2. And here we substitute this value of 15 in equation number 6. So our equation number 6 is implies that 15 over 2 plus a equals to 12, and here we move this 12 to the 15 over 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes here 12 minus 15 over 2. So here we take the LCM and becomes here 24 minus 15. So we get the value of a equals to this is 9 divided by 2. So this is the value of a which we get here from third case, and the value of c is 15 over 2. And now we there are three cases, so that in the final we have there are three parameters of the given equation. Okay, here we get the parameter from case number 1 is, okay, the parameter from first case is written as a plus b plus c. This is the our parameter. So in case number 1 you see here the value of a is 35 over 2, the value of c is 37 over 2. So we use these two values here and it will be written as 35 over 2 plus the value of b is 6 and the value of c is 37 over 2. So we need to take the LCM, and its LCM becomes 2, and we get here 35 plus 12 plus 37, and here we easily get, so it will becomes here 84 divided by 2. So the parameter will be written as 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So when you cancel these terms we get here 42. So this is the parameter 42 which we get here from first case, and from second case the parameter is the values which we get from second case is 8 plus 6 plus 10. So this will be written as 18 and it will becomes here 24, and the parameter which we get here from third case is p equals to 9 over 2 plus 6 plus 15 over 2. So after taking the LCM, we obtain this is 2 and 9 plus 12 plus 15. It will becomes here 36 divided by 2, and after cancellation we get our P equals to 18. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.